Okay, this is a sample document of a student who has a PDF file and they want to work with it inside of DocHub. So they should go to Open with DocHub and they should get a second screen opening up for them. And I'm going to sign in under that student's name. Going to allow again, and allow one more time. This is their first time using it. This is what they should see. Okay, and then accept the cookies, unfortunately. And then the document should pull up. So once they mark up the document with some of the tools that they might have inside of there, and again, they have to play with them a little bit. This is like a highlight tool, but notice how it's saving it for them. So again, let me just mark a couple of other areas and we'll save those. Let's change the color a little bit. Let's go to a red. Okay, and then let's do one more area. And again, let's change the color to blue. Okay, so now we have, let's see, everything pretty much there. I've tried out a couple of different features and you should be able to type on it as well. All right, and now what you should see is, so from there, what the students are going to have to do is in the assignment itself, when they go back, they have to add it in. Okay, so in order to do that, they're going to find out that it's going to be inside of their Doc account. And let me look. This is where they're going to have a couple of choices of how they attach it to the assignment. So one of the ways they can do it is just click the plus button. I would encourage them not to send it as an attachment. Instead, I would say get shareable link. I would tell them to look at that link, copy it. Then I would go to my assignment and add the link right there. Then they're going to paste it in. Oops. And add it, and then you can see the link is attached. Now, another way they could possibly do this from DocHub would be to go ahead and download it to Google Drive. Okay, they could have put it in Classroom, but it's going to get lost. I would encourage them to put it in Drive. They can designate exactly where they want it to go. They can rename it if they want to, but then go ahead and click Export. Okay, then they're going to see it hopefully pop up in their Google Drive. And we should see the edits. And yes, we do, which is perfect. So now I go back to the assignment. This is just the alternate way that they could put it in there. Click Add or Create Again from Google Drive. And seeing as they just added it, they should be prompted to go to their recent. And from there, they should be able to insert. And let's check to see if that, and that works too. So those are two different ways that they can do it inside of DocHub. They're going to have to either add by sending it as a link itself, or they can download into Drive and then they can attach it that way also. So two different ways they can do it, either by link or they can attach the file, but they have to put the file in Google Drive first. That looks like it's the big key for them. Okay? All right, I hope this helps.